Oh! Who's rapping? Who invited Nicki Minaj? Hey guys, it's Yani here.
I'm Fabio.
And we're back with another reaction video because it's been forever.
The things I had to do for these reactions.
And you know, I heard that Morissette Amon was on a break, a vocal rest.
Oh.
So, as you noticed, we didn't really get a lot of requests of her singing, reacting
That's
to her
true.
new songs.
Lately,
yeah,
yes,
because she's been traveling the world. I'm following her Instagram. I follow her Instagram. So Morissette has been to Korea. She's traveling some part of the Philippines. I don't know. She's been relaxing
in many places. Yeah.
Yeah. So now, one of our subscribers recommended this, that she's back on stage with Jona. Jona is another singer in the Philippines. I think we reacted to her. I'm a huge Morissette fan.
Of course.
Fabio isn't. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to this channel. 100,000 subscribers. Sorry.
And then you tell me to clear my voice.
100. You do it.
100,000 subscribers, guys. We're so close.
Where's the energy? Okay.
Because I don't have to do like 100,000 subscribers. I don't need to do that. Okay, let's watch this. All the food that you eat. You know,
I'm skinny now.
I
need to be skinny because our sponsorship next is
but
underwear, bitch. What are we gonna do?
You're sponsored because you're curvy. Yeah, they're going for curvy models.
Without further ado, let's get right into the video.
Oh.
Of course she has to sing this song. This is Jona. I think we reacted to her already before.
Oh yeah.
Okay, she needed a vocal rest, okay?
Oh.
Oh, she can compete with Morissette too.
I love the dress. Look at those pants.
It's a jumpsuit. I always love this. I love this song. I always love this song. Oh. This is
groovy.
This is the first song of Morissette that I fell in love with her.
Oh really?
Yeah, when she did this at Showtime, I'm like, damn, this girl can sing.
And if you guys know me, you probably know that I don't really love this song. I actually don't like it at all.
I wonder who's gonna hit the whistle tone.
I think they're gonna do it together.
You think so? I think it's
She's
her.
a beautiful girl.
Oh! She can do it too!
Wow!
So Morissette is gonna hit the next
with
one.
like a whistle implant in their throat or something.
Yes!
Return yours. Return it.
Made in China. They're doing Ariana Grande. Oh, that's why they're all wearing ponytails.
Oh, that's why.
So now Morissette's gonna hit the next high note.
She even had to bend because she's like, oh, this is high. You squat, you engage all the muscles. Oh, dance break?
They're doing cha-cha. Aren't you supposed to stand on a ladder if you want to hit the high note?
Yes.
Wale! Oh, it's a mashup. You got on my mind.
I have to say both makeups are beautiful.
Miko Dikanay.
I know. Follow him. I follow him.
Me too. Okay, Morris is gonna hit the high note.
She's gonna blow away the other one.
Let's hear it. Oh my god! I always love hers! I love her better.
They're both awesome.
They're both awesome, but I just love
I wonder
Morissette.
if that's how they call their dogs. Like,
Instead of
and it all comes back.
who's rapping? Who invited Nicki Minaj? Hey! Oh my god.
Wow.
They don't want to invite KZ in, so they did it themselves. They're laughing.
Why are they laughing?
One less problem.
This stage is beautiful. Look
It's
at the
actually
lights,
nice.
the scenography.
It would have been nice if there were dancers. Wow! Effortless!
Holy.
Effortless!
Then she's gonna take another 5 months rest after this.
You make me feel so. Oh, it's a nice mashup.
It is.
One less problem.
They're actually a very nice match, the two of them together.
Yeah.
Because they have a similar style.
Oh my god, whistle tone, do it. Is that blending I hear?
I should put it as.
Was that, were they trying to blend?
I
with
don't
the
know.
whistle tone?
I don't know. But I should put it as my alarm in the morning because I'll be like, jeez!
You want to use them as your alarm? Oh my god. Final thoughts, Fabio.
I wonder if when they go to the doctor, you know, when the doctor say open and say they're like,
Yeah.
probably they are.
Yeah, they do that. Yeah. I bet you.
Wow.
So that was again a great performance. We really enjoyed it.
Final thoughts, Yani?
That was nice. Morissette needed a break. She got the break. She came back strong.
Keep tapping here, then you hear it in the microphone. What are you doing?
So, I was saying Morissette needed a break. She got the break, and she came back strong. And Jona, she's actually a very good singer too.
She's great.
She's great. Yeah.
Yeah. I don't like the song. Like, this is nothing new. No, nothing new. But the execution was very nice.
Fabio loves the song that like.
Lava. The lava song.
Oh, I actually know that song. Why do you say nya? Why do you say nya? Why do you say nya? Why?
Hurt my neck.
A long time ago, there was just a volcano that lives in the middle of the sea. Something.
Anyhow, let's cut it here.
I have a dream that dreams do come true.
Well, you're not in front of million people. You're just in front of me. You're like shaking. What's wrong with
And
you?
I'm here with you. And I think the earth, star, the sky, up above.
Are you not embarrassed? You're singing in front of the audience.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.